Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the fourth subdivision in question 1 in exercise 3.3. Now let us look at the problem. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. The equations are x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So let's note the equations. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So we are going to first use the method of elimination. In order to do that, I have to remove the fractions first. So let's do a cross multiplication by taking LCM. Let's see now then to do. So 3 into x plus this cross multiplication gets you of 4y by 6 is equal to minus 1. So this is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Now for this equation, treat this as 1. So take the LCM. So 3x minus y by 3 is equal to 1. That's what you would have got here. So by 3 is equal to 3. Now you do a cross multiplication and take it over there. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. So these are the two equations that we are going to solve. So let's note these equations separately. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. So with this, I'm going to eliminate the variable 3 by simply doing a subtraction. So let's change the signs first. So this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So on subtraction, what happens? This will vanish. 4y plus y is 5y. Minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. So y is going to be equal to minus 3. Now that we have got the value of y, let's put it here. So here what happens? X minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So plus 3 by 3 is equal to 3. So this is x plus 1 is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. So we got the value of x also to be 2. Now what we are doing, what we have done is the elimination method. So I'm going to move on to the substitution method. In substitution method, I don't need to remove the fraction. Let's see how I'm going to simplify. I'm going to take the second equation. So x is equal to 3 plus y by 3. This is what I got. Now I'm going to put it in the first equation. So 3 plus y by 3, the whole thing divided by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. So let's rearrange this. I have to take an LCM in the numerator first. So this will become 9 plus y divided by, the 3 has also come down. I already have the 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. So you need to take an LCM now. So this is 9 plus y plus, this is 6. So here I have to multiply in both sides. So this is plus 4y by 6 is equal to minus 1. So I'm going to take the 6 that side. So 9 plus 5y is equal to minus 6. So 5y is equal to minus 6 minus 9. So 5y is equal to minus 15 or y is equal to minus 3. Remember, that is what we have got here too. So then you can do a substitution of this minus 3 in any one of those equations. That's what we did before. So it is going to be x minus of minus is plus 3 by 3 is equal to 3. So x is going to be equal to 2. The same step that we did before. So whichever method we used, y is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. Now let us check by substituting these values in the equation and see if they are also coming up right. So x is going to be 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 by 3 of y. What is going to be y? Y is minus 3. So if you multiply, this is 2 into minus 3 divided by 3. If you strike out, this is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So I'm going to put this. So this is 1 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So first equation happened right. Now let's do the second equation. So x is equal to 2. So I'm keeping the 2 there as such. Y is minus 3. So minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. minus 1 into minus is going to be plus, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So on substituting in the second equation also, we are seeing that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the answer x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 is correct. Okay, in the next video, we will see how to solve question 2 in this particular exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.